Okay, it's 8 o'clock this morning and our workers got here about 5 minutes till 8, 4 minutes till 8. And they're eager to get started. Good morning.
Good morning, guys.
Selamat pagi. Mau dia ini satu biji luar, jangan potong. Coba buka. Buka ini, buka ini. Coba buka satu. Jika enggak bisa, jangan coba potong-potong, okay? Berbicara dengan saya dulu, ya. Ya, saya tidak mau jelek-jelek, ya. Ya, kamu fokus juga, kamu selesai. Kok itu apa nama itu? Bolong ini juga. Dia fokus plat, ganti plat. Ya, kok? Ya, kamu fokus bolong. Bolong.
Okay. Water.
Yeah.
No water. Martel.
Okay, we're getting into some little bit scary territory. Gotta take all these things off and take the windshield out so we can work on this front piece of metal. You can see it's all rotten and garbage, so gotta do a lot of work on it.
Kanker ganas.
Huh? Kanker, yeah. Kanker. Karat.
Huh?
Karat.
Yes.
Kanker karat. Rust cancer. Anyway, he's finishing up some of the holes in the top, and he's working on the side sheet metal, so cutting out pieces here. He's replacing this one and this one. Anyway, he's forming it best he can. Anyway, we'll see how it comes out. Here we got him. He's got this formed up a little bit. Got the glass out here. Got a lot of repairs to do with the metal. Kenapa ini?
Gelap dari pabrik, makanya saya pahat. Kan nggak main potong kan?
Iya.
Ya udah saya pahat semua, makanya ini dari pabrik. Ini kan kamu lubang ini ya. Masuk dari sini ya.
Yeah. Anyway, it's a good thing we're opening this up. Just water can get up in here and make a mess of things. That's what it's done already. So that's why we're opening it up. Alright, progress. Okay, we're making big progress here. You see see this whole piece of metal is loose. I'm still getting all the tack welds off. I don't know, probably quite a few, but we'll see what's behind all this mess. Yeah, getting all this done here. Hello. Cleaning this all up and getting it, all the unnecessary sheet metal that's hanging out. You can see something like this here. Getting it all welded up nice and clean. Getting ready to install the back window. Anyway, getting a lot of progress here. Hey, look at this. Good, yeah? It's good. Yeah. So he can fill the tack welds and then he drills them out. I think it's almost ready to come off. What the? Sudah. You see a little bit inside there.
Pabrik pahat po. Pahat. Hah? Enggak ada.
Istirahat. Belum punya. Saya tidak punya. He's putting the chisel back there to help remove the spot welds. Look at that. Okay. Jangan. Like there's just a bracket holding this on. Look at that. Success! Wow. Okay, kamu fokus bersih semua bagus. Bersih ini, potong jelek-jelek. memperbaiki ya.
Kami minum es. Saya haus.
Kayak saya capek kamu selalu bilang sama. Enggak ada es di rumah kita, kosong. Ya. Yeah, look at this. Ya, bersih ya. All this. Good thing we opened this. This is really bad.